So I've had the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about 11 months as a daily driver. And the question is it still worth it? Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? I'm Bertrand TechMan. So in this video, I'm going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly that I found using the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And stick around to the end, and I will tell you exactly who this phone is for. Let's start with the price. When this phone came out, it was around $1,700. A lot of money. 11 months later, and you can get it from Amazon refurbs and other sites for about $1,000. And some used ones even cheaper if you're brave enough to try them. So, what about the good? This phone, in my opinion, is the best phone tablet phablet ever built. The 7.6-inch main display is still exciting when you unfold it, and it's still a visual pleasure to behold. It is made for the ultimate power user. It never gets boring. You can be very productive with the stylus and take actual notes with a great note-taking program like Samsung Notes. PDFs are easy to sign, documents are very easy to read, sending information is a breeze. Since many are back in the office now, this phablet is all you would need to carry to keep productive. Also, using the flex mode is perfect for Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings. Because of the vast real estate of the screen, you can watch many content videos like YouTube or TikTok, and it's the perfect size when you don't have access to a big screen TV. Connecting to some Galaxy Buds brings sweet joy to your ears, and if you have a Galaxy Watch, you will genuinely have a triple threat. Now for the bad. Don't get me wrong. The camera is suitable for photos and videos, but for $1,700, I don't want any doggone suitable camera. I want an excellent, better, perfect camera, or at least an S22 Ultra Spec camera. But no, you just get a good camera. Now the ugly. Although the battery life is subjective based on individual use, if you're a power user like me, the battery life for this phone will be average to mediocre. I barely get 8 hours of power use before I have to get some juice. Granted, you have a fast 25-watt charger that helps, but sometimes you might not be near electricity. And for me, that's ugly. As far as durability is concerned, I have to say I've had minor issues. The corner of the outer screen protector is peeling off, and I see bubbles in the middle on the inner screen protector. If it gets worse, I'll have to replace them with my insurance. Other than that, no issues. It's been a rock solid phone and hadn't slowed down not one iota. So to answer the question, is this phone still worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. But who is this phone for? It's not for a regular phone user. It's for the ultimate power user or a business person who wants a great phone that can turn into a marvelous tablet with very productive capabilities. While using Samsung DeX, you will not be disappointed. Now, if you found value in this quick 11-month review, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell to get my next video when it drops, share, and comment. In the comment section, tell me, how do you like your Galaxy Z Fold 3 and how is it holding up? And if you don't have one, or you're planning on getting one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Now, if you like this video, you might like this one up here.